If you're looking for a grooming product that is going to give you awesome volume and texture to your hair all day, this is it. Like, check it out. I styled my hair this morning using this stuff, followed it up with some of the grooming clay, and it's been like this the entire day. Like, I have not had to retouch it or anything whatsoever. I haven't been having to carry pomade around with me. I haven't been reapplying products every few hours with my hair falling down. All I did was apply this sea salt spray and follow it up with a Dandymen grooming clay, and it's been like this all day, just locked in. Besides giving my hair awesome hold all day, another thing that I really like about this product is the tobacco vanilla scent, which combines together really well and gives your hair this really pleasant yet masculine scent. So yeah, if you're looking for something that's affordable, smells nice, and is gonna give your hair some awesome texture and hold and style all day, then pick up some of the sea salt spray for yourself. I think you're gonna find it's exactly what you're looking for.